Hey guys, today's video is a Walmart clothing haul, and every item I'm going to be sharing with you guys in today's video is either on clearance or on rollback. Welcome back to Ria's World of Ideas. If you are new to my channel, I am Ria, and on my channel I love sharing all the ideas that I find helpful in my life and home, and hopefully you'll find them helpful in your life and home as well. So if you're not a subscriber already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave this video, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're always notified on all the new videos that I put out. And if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up to let me know that you enjoyed it, so I'm able to bring more videos to you guys in the future that you guys would like. So with all that being said, let's jump into today's video. And like I said, I have a Walmart clothing haul for you guys, and most of the items in here are going to either be rollback or clearance. There's only like about 3 items in here that I'm going to share with you guys that is not rollback or clearance, but the prices that they have originally on them is like clearance prices, so I definitely want to share it with you guys. So, and everything that I have in the video today will be linked down below, direct links down below, so you guys can click on them and go to the website. And the one thing about the clearance items I'm going to share with you guys today is these clearance and rollback items are clearance and rollback on the actual website. I know a lot of people do Walmart hauls where they found like clearance stuff in their stores, but clearance and rollback in the stores vary depending on what store you go to, and sometimes you might find something for $5 in your store and I go to my store and it's not on rollback yet. But everything that I'm going to share with you guys in today's video is on rollback on the website, so you'll still be able to get that same price that I'm going to tell you about. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. So let's jump right in, and the first thing I want to share with you guys is what I'm wearing right now, and it's this wrap dress. I think it's so adorable. I love it. It comes in so many colors. I got this mustard yellow one, and because it is a wrap dress, it wraps right here and wraps right here, so you got to really like tie it up properly in order to, like, you know, kind of conceal the girls right here. So that's one thing I will say, there's a drawback, that you really do have to tie it here and here to like really cover yourself up. But if you don't want to have this so low cut, what I would do is I would get like one of those little camis that you can get at Walmart or somewhere else. They're like $5, and you just put them underneath. It could be a black one, it could be a white one, and that way you're a little bit more covered. But this thing is so comfortable. Originally it was $19.96, and now it's on rollback for $12.97, which I think is a good deal, because this dress you can actually wear right now with how hot it is, but it also can transition into the fall. So they had a bunch of different types of styles, but all the styles that they had on it, I really didn't like them, but I really liked this yellow one because I feel like this is a perfect color for fall. You can put a brown cardigan on this, put this with some boots, and then it transitions to fall. So I like when I can take an outfit that I can wear not only in the summer and springtime, but I can also transition into fall. And so I love this, and also it has a lot of room here. So I plan to go to a birthday dinner for my husband, and whenever we go out, I want to be able to eat, and I don't want to wear nothing that's too tight that prevents me from like eating. So this is like the perfect dress that if you're going out and you want to eat and actually enjoy, there's a lot of room for you to be able to eat and enjoy your food. So another thing that's on rollback is these Time and True sandals. These sandals were very popular when they first came out, and they were actually a good price when they first came out. They were only like $14.98. That's how much it was when I bought it, so that's the original price. But right now they have them for $10 online and actually in stores, and I've even heard that in stores are a little bit more cheaper. Like some people said they even got it for $8, so depending on your store you might get it for cheaper, but either way you can get it online for $10 right now. I love this cognac color right here. I feel like this would go perfect with this little dress right here, because I feel like I said yellow and like these kind of like brown colors just go together. It just gives me that fall vibe. But you can also wear this dress with the black ones that this comes in. So I got these in black and this cognac color, which I live in Texas, so for me, I'm still gonna be wearing sandals in the fall, so this is perfect. So this one is the one with the strap on it. They do have another one that is another braided type of sandal that doesn't have a strap on it. It has like 2 braids on it, and I did purchase it at first, but for me, the 7, I usually wear size 7, and the 7 was too small for me, and they didn't have halves. And so then I got the 8, and the 8s were too big for me, but they fit my my niece perfectly. So she actually took them, and they were originally $19.98, but now they have them for $13. They're on rollback for $13. So those are another option if you want some sandals. Grab them right now because they're definitely on rollback. So now we're gonna jump into some workout wear that is not on rollback and not on clearance, but the price of it by itself, like, you know, its original price, I think is a good deal, so I had to share it with you guys. This is a new company that I've never seen at Walmart before. It's called Free Assembly, and I bought their tanks, and I bought their like 7/8 leggings, and I also bought their short leggings. So I'm gonna be sharing with you guys each individual piece, because you buy them each individually. You know, it's not like a set, you buy them each individual, but the prices for them each individual are actually cheaper than the ones that I see at Target and the other ones I see on Amazon. So They come with this top. It's called a crop top tank. But what I would have to say is what I loved about this one is even though it's called a crop top tank, it actually covers you a lot because the leggings that come with this are actually high-waisted leggings. So if you're like me where you're still trying to work out and your stomach is not the way that you want it to be, these are like the perfect activewear to get because not only are they really comfy, but because the pants are high-waisted and this crop top is not really that cropped, you kind of get that crop top look, but it covers you up as well. So that's what I loved about this set. So the tops, you can get them for $10. I got this nice little like red one. It's kind of like a maroon red one. I got this beautiful teal one. And of course you can't go wrong with getting black. You always have to get black. You know, me, I'm always have to get something in black. So I also got it in black. Sorry, the thing was falling. They're just falling off the hangers. But anyways, I got them in black, maroon, well, kind of a maroon, and a teal color. So I got 3 sets of them. One thing I will say about these that I kind of did not like is that these actually have a thicker band as far as like where the strap is. It's a thicker band. And to me, for me, the way that I'm built, I don't need much of a thicker band. So for me, I didn't like it because I felt like it was loose up here. But for some people who have like a little bit more up here than I do, I think this is perfect because it gives them more support. But for me, I didn't find it that I like, that's the one drawback I would say. I didn't like it that they had like a thick band, but I still love it. Okay, so moving on to the long leggings that go with those tops. I love these leggings. They're only $16, and for some long leggings, you guys know that's a good deal because leggings can be, you know, quite expensive. And even if the ones that like people say are like the best, they can be quite expensive, and these are only $16 and they are amazing. What I love about them is they're high-waisted, like I said, so they cover your tummy. If you're like me, if you're still working on your tummy and you want to cover it up, it covers your tummy and it sucks you in, guys. It makes it look slimmer and look nice, but it does that without making you feel like it's so tight that you can't even move. I know a lot of these leggings people buy and it like sucks you in, it makes you look nice, but you feel like you can't breathe, you can't move. No, these are amazing because when I actually wore a set, the black set, in my last video, my clean with me video, which a bunch of you guys were asking me about the workout outfit, if I got it from Amazon. No, I got it from Walmart. I was able to clean my my whole kitchen that day with that outfit, be able to move, feel confident in it, and feel comfortable in it, and it still sucked me in. So that's why I'm like, this is amazing. For 16 bucks, these pants can suck you in, make you look nice in the tummy, but you're able to move in them. So I really like them. I bought the 3 colors that I got in the top. I'm actually gonna buy more because I didn't know how they were gonna be. Sometimes you buy workout gear and like I said, they could be too tight or they could fall down and you're having to keep picking them up. So I didn't want to buy too many and not know how they are. But now that I know that I can be in them and I can be comfortable in them and move in them, but it sucks me in, I want like all the colors. So it comes in a bunch of different colors. But like I said, I got that maroon color, the black color, of course, and the teal for 16 bucks for something that sucks you in, makes you look nice, and it's not too tight. You can't go wrong with that. So also with the purchase of the long leggings, I also got the short ones as well. These are perfect for the summer and springtime, especially right now where it's so hot. But I also like to wear these with t-shirts and just run errands. Again, this has the same effect as the long ones. It sucks you in, it's high-waisted, and it just makes you look nice. So you can't go wrong with the short ones or the long ones. These are $14, again, a good deal. You can't go wrong with these. I can't say enough good things about them. If you guys want to see how they looked on me, how I moved in them, check out my last video, my clean with me video, and you'll see how I wore the black one and I was so comfortable and I cleaned that whole kitchen in them. So the next thing I'm gonna share with you guys is also for free assembly, and it's their jogger sweats. These are so cute. They were originally $24 and they're on Rollback for $15. They got 3 other colors, but I love this teal color. And I'm the type that I'm just a sweats girl. I love wearing it around the house because I work from home, but also to run errands. And you can put this with like a tank top or a bodysuit and make it look nice. Or you could put it with like a sweatshirt and just look casual. I mean, you could just dress up and dress down joggers so much nowadays, so you can never go wrong with some joggers. And for this to be 15 bucks and the fall is coming and the winter's coming, you're gonna need them, it's such a good deal. So speaking of sweat joggers, did you guys know that Walmart now has Reebok brand items in their stores? I was super surprised to see that because, you know, Reebok is a name brand, and to see it in Walmart is surprising. So they also had some rollback on some Reebok things as well. So they had their sweats, which are originally $23.98, and they had them on Rollback, guys, for $9. $9 for some Reebok sweats, which, you know, kids nowadays, they always want the name brand. These are so comfortable. I put them on to try them on. I didn't want to take them off. Again, like with the last one, you can wear them with a bodysuit, a tank top to make them a little bit more nicer. You can also just wear them with sweatshirts. But I love this one. I got it in the gray, and I also got it in the pink as well, which they call it like a heather, I think it was like a heather rose or heather gray, something like that. They had 2 other colors as well, so you could check that out. But that's such a good deal to get Reebok for $9 is an amazing deal. Another thing that was on rollback and on clearance, and it's also from Reebok, is this sweatshirt, which this sweatshirt, guys, is so comfy. I got it in a size small. They did say in the comments it does run big, but I kind of like, it's supposed to be like an oversized fit anyway. So with me with the size small, it gives it that oversized look, which I wanted to anyway if I would have got a medium. So if you don't want an oversized like look and you want a fitted look, I would say size down. But if you do like that oversized look, I would say stay in your same, you know, size range. But this thing is so soft and so comfy. I originally got it to go with the sweats, but as you can see, the grays do not match. But that was okay because I actually like wearing these with the black leggings from Free Assembly because they look so good together. So that's how I'm going to pair it up together. But you can also wear this with jeans. But this is like the softest sweater ever. And this was also $22.98, and it was on rollback for $9 as well, guys. They have so many other clearance and Roblox. I was about to say Roblox because my daughter plays that. They have so many clearance and rollback things for Reebok. That is such a tongue twister. They have so many things that are on rollback and clearance for the brand Reebok. If you guys want to check it out. But these were the 2 things that I wanted, but there's so much more, so definitely go check it out. Another great deal when it comes to active and workout wear was these tanks from Athletic Works. This was a 2-pack, and they come in a bunch of different types of styles and colors of 2-packs. I got the black one and the one that has like this kind of like gray kind of like line design. But these were 2 for $5, guys. 2 for $5. They were $10.96, 2 for $10.96, and they're on rollback for 2 for $5. I love these t-shirts to work out in. I got a size small, but they do run kind of big. So for me, I would have probably got an extra small because it is kind of like big on me. Because these naturally are very roomy. They're stretchy. So if you're the type that you want to work out, but you don't want to wear those tight clothes, you want something fitting, but it is also airy so that you don't get too hot. These are the perfect t-shirts to wear because they kind of go out at the bottom, so they give you a bunch of room around your tummy to make you feel a little bit more comfortable. And the material is so like, it's not like that cotton material, it's kind of like that polyester kind of sheen material. So the material soaks up the sweat very well, but it also feels good on your skin. And I mean, guys, 2 for $5, you can't go wrong with this. And these shirts are amazing to wear to work out or even to run errands. Another thing that was on rollback for the active wear is from the brand Avia, I think, and it was these sports bras. Now these sports bras had like the built-in bra, so you can actually wear as a sports bra. And they had these rolled back from $13.98 to $11.46. And I got them in black and white. And like I said, I love these because they have like the built-in bra. These tanks right here that I originally shared with you guys, these I would not call them as workout bras. This is just a tank top. So it has nothing built in for you guys to keep you support. So I would get these and put them together to use them because this is actually a sports bra and this is just a workout tank. The next thing I want to share with you guys is some long sleeve button-up shirts from Time and True. They got like this plaid kind of design on them and I like them, but originally when I ordered them, I thought this was just black and white. I didn't know that this was like navy blue and white and then had this tie-dye effect. But that's okay, I got it anyway. And what I like to do with this is that you can wear this in the fall with some jeans, but you can also wear this over your active wear. If you're running errands, you can put like the tank on and you can put the short ones on. Put this on and run errands and it kind of gives you like a casual look and you're kind of like fashionable, but you're in active wear with this t-shirt. And then I also got the pink one, which I love. This one would be perfect with like a tank top underneath or a bodysuit underneath with some shorts and this on top for right now. But you can also pair this with jeans and use it for the fall. And these were originally $16.98 and they're now on rollback for $11, guys. And what I love about them is they are long sleeve, but you can actually roll them up to it. They could be quarter sleeves as well. So that is it for my Walmart clothing haul, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below which item was your favorite. And don't forget that all the links to every item that I share with you guys would be in the description box for you guys. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out. And check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.